guys, Fish and a Fireball here, and I hope my audio is doing okay because it hasn't been working out very well recently. So yeah, we are back with some 3 Warrior Cats challenge, and so I rolled for the snake bite for missing the snake last time, and he didn't get bitten. He got 29. So I did 0 to 100, didn't get bitten whatsoever. So I also said that we may possibly meet the rogues. So I'm not at camp. Well, technically they aren't rogues, but they're supposed to be rogues. I'm saying that they're like a group of cats that live in a barn. That's technically what I'm saying. No. Okay. So dude, why don't you come over and scratch on the door. Oh, there's one. Okay. Why don't you go... Yo, 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 yo. This is our first cat right here. Let's sniff her. No, don't be pet by this 2-leg. It was the worst house ever, I have to say. Oh yeah, so that's a good view of Misty Shade right there. Here we go now. Go inside. There we go. There's Rogues. You're still stuck? Yeah, she's stuck. I really like all their designs. If I had to choose one, I'd say that hers is really good. She really isn't that thin. Let me tell you, she isn't that thin. So now why don't you introduce yourself? Stop trying to get pet by Chloe. I like to put the names in capitals. So why don't you come? Why are you thinking about football? Yeah. So she's technically him, just the original fur color. And Kyle, why don't you talk with another version of yourself, just a different fur color? That is Honey Light right there. And this is Dove Pool. Here you go. And then why don't you come? Dude, you aren't... Okay. Sir, here, let me tell you why his name's Frogtail. He's not supposed to have a tail. Okay? So I will fix that one. If he gets invited to our clan, I shall make him have no tail. Okay, why don't you sniff her? Maybe you can fix her. Because she is stuck. And then after that, why don't you sniff the other stuff? Oh gosh! It's Frogtail, I think, Misty Shade? Oh no! Honeylight destroyed him. No, dude, come here. Oh my gosh. Dude, where are you going? Go here. Stop being startled. Dude, you aren't skittish. And now they are all gone. So let me come back and scratch on the door. I think that's on at least. Oh yeah, you have to go scratch on the door. Why is Misty Shade sleeping outside? Who knows? No, don't be pet. Go here. Go inside. Sniff Badger Step. Sniff Breeze Flower. And I think that's all of them. Just follow him. Two legs in the way. Oh yeah, so there's a look at Badger Step. He looks like a badger. At least I didn't look at pictures, so I'm pretty sure he does. Now don't react negatively to the TV. Go and sniff Breeze Flower. He's gonna cancel that action, isn't he? But whatever. Nope. Okay. But here's a look at Breeze Flower. But yeah, don't, you know, no playing with. Hiss at her. She's a stupid, stinking two-leg. Hiss at her. There we go. Now, dude, stop trying to play with that. Oh, your fun's low. Oh, your scratch is low. I can just boost that. And no, don't sniff her hand. If you're gonna have her touch you, hiss at her. There, play with the ball. Okay, so I want you guys to choose which one we will bring back to the camp. Frogtail, I'm pretty sure he's aggressive. That's one trait about him. Badger Step, he's skittish. I'm pretty sure. Honey Light, Breeze Flower, or Dove Pool. Stop trying to react negatively. So, yeah. Well, I think that's gonna cover it for this episode, you guys. I don't really know what more to do. I said I'd introduce y'all to the rogues, and I did that. So, yeah. Now I want you guys to tell me in the comments which one I shall bring home, with which one Crowclaw should bring back to camp. Not really home, but yeah, home, whatever. So yeah, I'll see you on the next episode. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.